is a tutorial for students to access Clickview at home. First, you need to click on Sign In. Enter in your school email address. Remember, it is at parastu.catholic.edu.au. Then click Next. You'll be prompted to select your school name, so St. Mary's Rydalmere, and then it will proceed to the home page for Clickview. Let's take the example that your teacher may have provided you with a link through the Google Classroom. So you will log in, locate the recent post and open it up. For example, we have one here from Year 6. Click on the attachment and it will take you directly to that specific video. We hope that this how-to tutorial has helped you in using Clickview with your student login.